This video guide is dedicated to help you remove the malicious pop-ups that are related to the website lokitugi.com. Lokitugi.com is a misleading pop-up that tries to trick customers into downloading and installing certain unwanted browser extensions. There is a wide range of such third-party browser extensions that are not really decent. They may function as adware, as browser hijackers, or as spyware. As browser hijackers, they may change some crucial browser settings, such as default homepage, default search engine, and other values. So if you see these pop-ups by lokitugi.com, don't interact with them. Don't install anything that they suggest. If any third-party extensions were mistakenly installed into your browser, you should urgently undertake the measures and fix your browser as soon as possible. You need to remove any third-party extensions which got mistakenly installed. So access the menu of your Google Chrome. Click on More Tools and then choose Extensions. In case you find any third-party extensions here, you need to disable and remove the extensions completely. Now, to make sure that your device is free of any other concealed threats, I do recommend researching it with Combo Cleaner Antivirus. Get it on this page, combocleaner.com. Use this green download button, install the program, and then begin researching your device with Combo Cleaner Antivirus to detect and delete other threats from your computer. Combo Cleaner will help you very well in this matter. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, it will be in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button. The program will first of all update its antivirus database for proper malware detection and elimination. You will notice that most likely the program will start identifying certain threats on your computer. While the scanning is taking place, you may experiment with some of the settings of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. For instance, there is a special feature called anti-ransomware, which is the part of the premium license. Anti-ransomware feature of Combo Cleaner helps you to add one or several folders on your system that will be protected against all sorts of ransomware attacks. Then, after the scanning has been completed, you'll see the detailed summary of threats that were found during the scanning. The summary will show you the name of the threat and its exact location on your computer. You'll be able to remove each threat manually by going to these locations, or you may consider upgrading to the premium license to remove these threats automatically.